I think Amaya's still a little butthurt about it. He's acting like it. Whoa, Jeffrey. Appreciate you.
It's not so bright.
It's the camera light.
No, I know. People be peeing out here, dog.
Yeah, that's not cool. That's a crime right there.
Yeah. So it's like, if you go through that, it smells like piss.
It smells like piss right now. I smell it. Yeah.
Like, no, but like, the thing is, it's like, it smells like piss from here all the way to like that side over there.
You know what? I'm going to take your word. I don't even want to go over there, man. I smell it from here, so.
What are you recording for?
I'm just walking around.
Recording people peeing?
Recording people peeing? What are you talking about?
People pee over here.
So what?
So you're recording the people peeing over here?
Do you really think I'm recording people pissing? And that's my whole objective tonight?
Well,
I'm just walking around. Just checking stuff out.
Oh. You're a little undercover kind of guy, aren't you?
No, I'm in plain view, man. I'm not spiky. I got a bright ass light.
No, I know you are, but I'm just saying, I'm like, so if someone was peeing and you were walking by with the camera recorder, you just record them pee?
I mean, maybe momentarily if they got in my frame, yeah. I don't have any problems.
I don't think it would be momentarily. I think it would be like full
74 disinformation.
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, if anyone wants to break the law,
hold on. You're a cop.
I'm not a cop.
Who's talking on your radio, bro?
That's a scanner I have. Anyone can buy this. I guarantee you I'm not a cop.
No. Well, yeah, because you would have to tell me if I asked that question.
Nope.
According to the law.
Nope.
Oh, cops can lie, man.
No, they can, but not in California.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh, is that right?
Well, there's like specific laws in California in place specifically for this. Because it's called self-incrimination.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
I'm only like a year 2 law student, so like.
Oh, good.
I wouldn't know.
Good for you, man.
I wouldn't know a thing or two.
You know what? I think everyone should know their rights. So.
Oh no. Yes.
Yeah.
But also, that's not what most cops think.
Oh, I agree. Cops don't like me out here because of this, because of what I do. I record the cops mostly.
Wait. So what do you do?
I record the police mostly. But right now, I was just walking to my car.
Like, what specifically do you do?
News.
That was my question.
News. I'm recording for news. For news.
Which?
I don't feel like discussing that.
I think when you say news and you're like pointing a camera at my face, you should at least tell me who you're recording for, because that's within my rights to know who I'm releasing my public image to.
Within your rights to figure it out if you want to, man. If you want to go there, but
what's your name?
I'm not gonna tell you that either. You seem like a little upset by the fact that I'm walking around recording.
No, I don't.
It's all good, dude.
I literally could give 2 shits. You caught me coming around the corners.
Were you peeing over there or what?
No. So you could know tomato.
Okay.
Matter.
Yeah.
I was just asking as a personal person to know.
Yeah.
And you're also recording my image, so I think right? It's like
I hear what you're saying.
No, I know you hear what I'm saying. But it also falls within my right to know why you're recording me out in public.
I am under no obligation to tell you who I am or even talk to you at all.
Fair enough.
Okay.
6110.
Okay.
Awesome.
I was just asking.
Hey, I'm not trying to be rude. I just don't like telling strangers my information. You know, I told you what I'm doing.
I can tell you my name, my number, where I live.
It's all good. I don't want to know.
Yeah.
Thank you, though.
And that's my point exactly.
Yeah. Well,
but it smells from piss from here to over there.
Yeah.
So I would take a look into that.
Yeah, I mean, I was just walking to the Globe to check it out, but
no, but you should definitely go down that way.
I mean, I smell the piss from here.
If anyone pees,
I'm not looking for peers. That's
there.
Like not what I'm doing. I'm not looking for peers.
Oh no, I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying from here to there.
Yeah, got you.
That's where
I appreciate the tip, man. Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you have a good night, all right?
Point it harder.
Point it harder?
like get my right angle. Hold on. Like, yeah.
There you go, man. All right, well, I'm gonna walk away.
Shining or?
Yeah, nice. Peace out, Holmes. God, the fuck? Yeah. Fucking lingerer, man.
Yeah, totally.
Linger.
I'm gonna walk away now.
Are they Gucci earring?
Have a good one, dude. I think I caught that dude peeing. And he like tried to cover it up. Like, oh, it smells like pee over there.